La Cocina was born with the idea of giving to my family recipes a healthy shift. So we created fully nutritious recipes grounded in traditional Mexican flavors. Our inspiration was to give my favorite comfort food some extra power by adding some superfood to keep it delicious, but also balancing nutrients. Guerrero means warrior in Spanish, and I call this taco guerrero because of its main ingredient, cactus, that is one of the most ancient and iconic ingredients in Mexican gastronomy. My name is Mariana Villalobos. I am from Mexico City, and I am the chef and founder of La Cocina Tacos and Ceviche Bar.